Hello everyone and welcome. I actually hired a cameraman today in the sense that my kid is over there filming. Don't worry, this is not child labor. This is just him helping out, and he needs to learn how to use the phone camera. And today we're gonna show you how we get a board, a drywall board, up into my tower over there. And the camera, buddy. Se vede?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And first step is, of course, lowering the winch. I've attached a pair of ropes that will hold the drywall sheet fairly well. And
Okay, Dennis, please go. The other way. Go.
okay, and we're good. Un pic mai jos. Keep going. More. Stop. Take the drywall sheet. This has already been cut down to the size we need for this step, and we just position it. We are fortunate that it can fit through the hole on its diagonal. Because otherwise, if it was not a fit, we would have had some major problems. We would have just had to make tinier bits.
Okay?
Okay, slowly up. I still have to guide it to make sure it doesn't snag on any holes. And once it's up there, because my wife cannot lift the board, that it's way too heavy for her, I then have to put the ladder back and go all the way up. Bakit ako lang posisyon. Okay, gata. Last one just. Încă. Stop. Okay, now it's on solid floor and we can easily remove the straps. And the drywall sheet is ready to be stuck to the wall. Alright, I'm gonna pick you up now. And oh wait, let's not forget to show the, that's him. Wave to the camera. Okay, that was the cameraman we borrowed for today. And that is how we get one drywall sheet up here. That's the process. You've seen it. I'll show you the finished product when it's done. See you in a few. Officially, today has not been exactly a fine day for science. We finished our job. The tower is complete, is done, it's okay, but we're both incredibly tired, and it definitely showed. So yes, but it's done. Everything is done, including that big piece over there, propped up with some sticks. It's a little harder to see, but those are sticks. The hard part is done. It looks like a room now. It's all around us, everything. It's still a mess over here. I haven't gone to clean up, and I'm not even gonna clean up today. I know, it's not ideal and everything will be really nasty to clean, but I am in no mood anymore to clean up this place. But hey, my tower is done, finally. After a grueling day of work, of cutting these pieces and puzzling them together, they are finally done. For more content like this, you know the works. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully in a much better mood and after a much more fulfilling day of work.